Hello everyone, how are you all doing? WWDC is right around the corner. Less than 3 days left. I am so excited and I know you guys are as well. I will be coming up with a lot of WWDC and iOS 18 content for you guys. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now that you've done that, let's get right in today's video without wasting any more time because we are going to talk about how to get prepared for iOS 18 and install it on the day one. Let's get right into today's video. My name is Jay. You are watching Tech Hype. Let's dive right into today's video. So, iOS 18 is gonna be out in few days. So now what does this mean? This means that we are gonna install it on our devices, but it is not how easy as it sounds. It is gonna be easy to install. It's not gonna require a lot of efforts. But why am I saying this? Because it will be a beta version. It will not be a public version. Don't be confused, it will be a beta version. That means it will have a lot of issues and bugs. You are probably gonna have to downgrade your device after some time. So what you have to do is make sure that your device is backed up on iCloud and on your laptop or your MacBook as well. Because how buggy these updates are, there are a big chances of your phone having a data loss or some things like that. So don't be too surprised if you do have issues like these, because betas do tend to do these kind of things. So in order to be prepared and install the iOS 18 on the day one, you should make sure that your data is backed up. That should be on your priority list, because I know even I have noticed this myself, that for the first few days we all are going to be excited about iOS 18, that we are going to use it and a lot of the features we are going to test it on our devices. It is all good, but as soon as the honeymoon period ends and you are going to use your device day to day, don't install it on your primary device. But even if you are installing, make sure that your device is backed up. I'm saying this again and again and again, because every year a lot of you guys message me and talk about this, that hey Jay, my data has been lost and my phone is bricked, my phone is showing Apple logo but it is not getting turned on. These are pretty normal issues that occur on a beta. So that's why I'm requesting you guys to back up before installing iOS 18. Then the next thing that you have to do, that is logging into Apple developer account, and then your device will have the developer profile. Earlier it was some long steps that were involved. You had to install the profile, you had to check that it is installed or not, you had to restart your device. But now Apple has made it really easy for you guys, and it is basically officially free, so you don't have to look for any profiles. You just have to go in settings, software update, and then there is a section. You have to click on that and select iOS 18 developer profile. That is it. Then you have to refresh and you will see the update after some time. Alright, let's recap real quick. Number one, make sure that you are not installing it on your primary device, because betas are really buggy. Number two, even if you are installing it on your primary or secondary device, make sure that your device is backed up on your MacBook or your laptop. Then number three, make sure that the Apple developer profile is installed on your iPhone. And then final step is to enjoy the iOS 18 beta on your device. Thank you so much for watching this quick little episode that I thought that I should share with you guys. These small little things that I think are really necessary for you guys to remember and keep it in your head. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.